Hello, this quick animated whiteboard will show you the process of creating a custom API derived from a file-based dataset. We are currently in an exceptional time of being able to access a vast amount of information at our fingertips. The internet allows open data providers to share their information through numerous methods. During your journey of exploring open data catalogs, you may be asking yourself, this is all great information, but what about when the open data provider doesn't provide a fancy API with endpoints? One of the more common older methods providers prefer to share their information is by way of extract file. The first part of utilizing a file extract is to download it and then perform a process called extract, transform, and load (ETL). With the data now residing in our database, to produce the custom open data APIs based on file extracts, we develop the code necessary to access the data we have loaded into our databases and share it in real time. Some of the steps used to achieve this include coding for the following: API services, database object relational mapping (ORM), API methods, custom coding for data linking and manipulation, and endpoint paths. As we further develop our open data API code, we ensure that our coding history is tracked and stays healthy by storing it in a code repository in which we execute continuous development and integration processes. Once our API is ready to be shared, we publish them via DevOps procedures so that our audience is consistently able to access the latest set of custom open data APIs that can be leveraged for their own projects. It is our overall objective to have this data easily accessible so that the audience can focus more on using the data, and our services are created to assist in this process. Thank you for viewing this full explanatory video, and please like and subscribe in the description below. Have a wonderful day.